the UK is set to deploy F-35A jets capable of carrying nuclear bombs, marking a pivotal shift in its defense strategy. Despite the UK's F-35A jets signaling nuclear readiness, logistical delays mean many remain grounded, challenging their operational promise. If logistical issues persist, the UK's nuclear readiness could falter, leaving national security and regional stability in jeopardy. The UK's F-35A jets, despite their nuclear capability, face a critical shortage of trained pilots, potentially crippling their operational readiness. Yet, the true impact of these jets on the UK's defense strategy remains uncertain as key operational challenges persist. Britain prepares to independently deploy nuclear-capable F-35A jets, signaling strategic escalation. The F-35A is a stealth aircraft designed to carry nuclear bombs. It features advanced radar-evading capabilities. The UK will use these jets to independently deploy nuclear weapons. This marks a shift from hosting to launching nuclear arms. The integration involves modifying runways and training pilots. The jets enhance the UK's nuclear deterrence strategy, increased risk of nuclear conflict, heightened global tensions, potential arms race escalation. Unlike Germany, which relies on U.S. nuclear weapons stationed on its soil, the UK is developing its own nuclear strike capability. While France maintains an independent nuclear force, the UK integrates its arsenal with NATO strategies, enhancing collective deterrence. The F-35A can carry the B-6112 bomb, which has adjustable yields. This flexibility enhances strategic options. The UK's integration of F-35A jets marks its transition to a sovereign nuclear power, reshaping global nuclear dynamics. British pilots prepare to carry nuclear payloads, marking a strategic shift in defense posture. The F-35A is a stealth jet capable of carrying nuclear weapons. It integrates with a B-6112 bomb for precise targeting. RAF bases are being equipped to support nuclear operations. This involves infrastructure upgrades and pilot training. The aircraft enhances the UK's nuclear deterrence by enabling rapid deployment. Increased nuclear readiness raises the risk of accidental conflict. It heightens tensions and destabilizes regional security. Unlike post-Cold War disarmament trends, the UK is rearming, contrasting with nations reducing nuclear arsenals. The F-35A's advanced systems allow real-time data sharing with allies, enhancing coordinated nuclear defense strategies. Britain's strategic shift marks a return to active nuclear readiness, redefining its role on the global stage. The F-35A jets can carry the B-6112 nuclear bomb, enhancing RAF capabilities. These jets are designed for stealth and speed, allowing them to evade detection. They serve both NATO and UK defense, ensuring readiness against threats. The integration of nuclear capability into these jets marks a strategic shift for the UK. Increased nuclear readiness raises the risk of accidental conflict. Misinterpretations could lead to unintended escalation. Unlike Germany, which relies heavily on U.S. nuclear sharing, the UK seeks independent nuclear strike capability. The F-35A's advanced stealth tech makes it nearly invisible to radar. This allows surprise maneuvers in hostile airspace. The UK's strategic enhancement with F-35A jets underscores a commitment to credible deterrence in an evolving nuclear landscape. The UK is acquiring F-35A jets to enhance its defense strategy, focusing on land-based nuclear capabilities. The F-35A is designed for longer range and greater payload compared to the F-35B. It cannot operate from aircraft carriers, limiting naval use. The F-35A enhances land-based nuclear mission capabilities. It integrates with U.S. and NATO nuclear systems for high interoperability. The RAF gains strategic deterrence through direct control of nuclear missions. The Royal Navy's role in nuclear missions may diminish, affecting its strategic influence. Joint operations could face interoperability challenges, limiting naval effectiveness. RAF gains strategic deterrence, but airbase vulnerability increases risk. The UK's F-35A acquisition contrasts with its F-35B focus, emphasizing land-based power over maritime flexibility. Unlike the F-35Bs, F-35 helped enhance RAF's nuclear role, reducing Royal Navy's carrier influence. The F-35A can carry the B-61 nuclear bomb, enhancing the UK's deterrence. This capability aligns with NATO's nuclear sharing. The RAF's focus on land-based jets ensures rapid deployment flexibility. The UK's acquisition of F-35A jets signifies a strategic pivot towards land-based nuclear capabilities, emphasizing RAF priorities over naval flexibility. The UK in 2023 announced its nuclear upgrade, impacting NATO dynamics and signaling strategic shifts globally. The UK upgraded its defense by acquiring F-35A jets, enhancing nuclear readiness. These jets can carry nuclear weapons, aligning with U.S. strategies while maintaining UK control. The F-35A's advanced systems improve stealth and precision, altering defense dynamics. This move positions the UK among nations with active nuclear capabilities, signaling a shift in deterrence strategy. Increased nuclear readiness may heighten global tensions. It risks escalating conflicts and shifts alliance dynamics. Unlike Germany, which focuses on conventional forces, the UK invests in nuclear capabilities. France maintains independent nuclear deterrence, while the UK aligns with U.S. strategies. The UK's nuclear upgrade includes a secretive tech, stealth payload integration. This allows undetected delivery of nuclear arms. The UK's nuclear upgrade signals a shift in global military dynamics, prompting allies to reassess their defense strategies. The UK's F-35 program faces logistical and financial challenges, impacting RAF readiness and industrial expectations. The F-35 program faces delays due to late component arrivals and higher costs. Maintenance backlogs and spare part shortages hinder operations. Rising jet prices strain procurement plans and delay RAF readiness. Training and infrastructure upgrades are behind schedule. Industrial offsets have underperformed, affecting local supply chains. Delays reduce RAF readiness, impacting national defense. Rising costs strain budgets, limiting other military investments. The UK's F-35 program contrasts with the US, where production is more streamlined. The US benefits from economies of scale, reducing costs. The F-35's advanced stealth tech is unmatched, reducing detection by enemy radar. Its software updates enhance capabilities, but integration issues persist. The F-35 program's challenges underscore the need for a sustainable balance between advanced capabilities and financial viability. Residents face anxiety over nuclear-capable jets, questioning local safety amidst global tensions. nuclear-capable jets arrived at RAF Marham, increasing local risk perception. Residents fear becoming military targets. The airbase's strategic role has shifted, impacting local safety concerns. Community meetings address these fears, highlighting the tension between national defense and civilian safety. Homes may become targets, increasing risk of attacks. Evacuation plans disrupt daily life, causing stress and fear. In London, global strategy dominates discussions, contrasting with Norfolk's focus on local safety concerns. While London views military upgrades as strategic, Norfolk sees them as immediate personal risks. Some residents have built secret underground shelters. Others have mapped escape routes to less targeted areas. Hidden bunkers are stocked with essentials. Norfolk's future now hinges on reconciling national defense with local safety. The UK is integrating nuclear capabilities into its Air Force with the acquisition of F-35A jets. This move positions Britain as a frontline nuclear power, altering its defense posture significantly. However, logistical challenges and economic strain leave the program's sustainability uncertain. As Norfolk residents grapple with the implications, the quiet village near RAF Marham becomes a symbol of the broader nuclear debate.